Hello future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here are another set of problems in algebra. I hope that these problems will your help develop your thinking skills in order for you to solve problems in engineering. Problem 5, divide 80 into two parts such that the ratio of one part decreased by 4 to the other part decreased by 8 is 1:3. So what is the larger part? So the technique to this, because this is multiple choice type, you just manipulate using your calculator. But I'll present the solution in a manner that is acceptable to your teacher in math. So I'll call x as the smaller part and y as the larger part, and x plus y equals 80. So therefore the larger part y is 80 minus x. So based on this statement that the ratio of one part decreased by 4 to the other part decreased by 8 is 1:3. So since the denominator is greater, so it should be y in the numerator and x in the numerator. So in the numerator, x minus 4, then in the denominator, 80 minus x minus 8, and we equate that to 1/3. So x minus 4 over 80 minus x minus 8 equals 1/3. Cross multiply, you have 3x minus 12, and this is 72 times 1, so 72 minus x. So again, 3x minus 12 equals 72 minus x. 3x plus x is 4x. 72 plus 12 is 84. So 4x equals 84. So that means x is 21. 84 over 4. Then y, the larger part, is 80 minus 21, and that is equal to 59. So y is equal to 59, the larger part. Problem 6. Find x if 14 is the fourth proportional to 72, 42, and x. So this is a very simple problem. We just set up the equation by ratio and proportion. 72 over 42 equals x over 14, because 14 is the fourth proportional to 72, 42, and x is the third proportional to 72 and 42, of course. So we have to set up the equation. 72 over 42 equals x over 14. So using your calculator, 72 times 14 over 42 is 72 over 1/3. 72 times 1/3, or 72 over 3. So x is 24. Problem 7. Determine the ratio between 20 pounds and 45 newtons. So the ratio between 20 pounds and 45 newtons, we just have to take note of the conversions, that 1 kilogram is equal to 9.81 newtons, and it is also 2.205 pounds. So ratio equals 20 pounds over 45 newtons. So we multiply 1 kilogram, which corresponds to 2.205 pounds. So 20 pounds, this is equal to 20 pounds times over 45 times 1 kilogram over 2.205 pounds. So we can cancel pounds, kilogram per newton now. Then we multiply further, 9.81 newtons per kilogram, per 1 kilogram. So we can cancel kilogram, we can cancel newtons. Then using your calculator, 20 times 9.81 divided by quantity 45 times 2.205, and that is 1 over 1.977. Therefore, the ratio is 1 as to 1.977. So it is B. Problem 8. The sum of the different two-digit integer is 9. Reversing the order of the digits reduces the integer by 45. So find the two-digit integer. So you can manipulate your calculator by substituting or reversing the digits of these choices. So for instance, if we reverse 81, it becomes 18, and 81 minus 18 is not 45, of course. While part B, 72, it becomes 27 if you reverse it. So from 72, it becomes 27. So it is indeed reduced by 45. So therefore, by just manipulating the choices, we say that the answer is letter B. And we don't need to check the others because definitely, although the sum of the digits is 9, reversing the digits will not reduce the original two-digit integer to, it will not reduce by 45. So let's denote the original two-digit integer by 10t plus u, where t is the tens digit, u the units digit. Then if we reverse the digit, it is mentioned here that it reduces by 45. Therefore, 10u plus t, that's the two-digit integer where the order of the digits reversed, and it is equated to the original minus 45 because the original integer, when the order of the digits is reversed, will be reduced by 45. So 10u plus t equals 10t plus u minus 45. 10u minus u is 9u. T minus 10t is negative 90. So 9u minus 90 equals negative 45. Divide everything by 9. So u minus t equals negative 5. And the other equation, the sum of the different two-digit integers is 9. The sum of the different two-digit integer is the sum of the digits. The sum of the digits of the different two-digit integer is 9. So we have this equation u plus t, or t plus u equals 9. So adding these two equations will eliminate t. So u plus u is 2u, and negative 5 plus 9 is 4. So 2u equals 4. So that means u is 2. Then substitute here, t plus 2 equals 9. So the tens digit is 7. 9 minus 2. So therefore, the original two-digit number is equal to 72. Then finally, a pentagon has sides of 24, 30, 35 centimeters, where the longest side is 35 centimeters and the perimeter is 135 centimeters. Determine the perimeter of a similar pentagon if the longest side is 72 centimeters. Since we are setting up the ratio of the perimeters, then for similar shapes, similar geometric shapes, then the ratio of the perimeter is also the corresponding ratio of sides. So if the perimeter of one is 135 and the longest side is 35, then we equate it to perimeter 2 as to the longest side of the other similar polygon is 72. So the equation would be 135 perimeter 1 as to longest side of 1 equals perimeter 2 over longest side of 2. So 135 over 35 equals P2 over 72. So P sub 2 is 135 times 72 divided by 35, and that is equal to 277.7 centimeters. So that's it for this video. I hope that you were able to understand the explanations and the solutions.